Hey fam, welcome back. My name is Janna from Sibs&Co, and today I'm showing you how to make allergy-friendly Easter candy. So today, some of the things you'll need are allergy-friendly chocolates. Today I'm using Enjoy Life rice milk chocolate. I don't know if you can see it, the morsels, and also a mini white chocolate, also by Enjoy Life. And you can use whatever allergy-friendly chocolate brands that you like. These are the ones I have on hand today. Then if you don't have a double burner or a double boiler melty thing, all you'll need is a pot and then a stainless steel bowl, some water, and then we're gonna just melt chocolate just like this. And last but not least, your chocolate molds. So you can use a silicone mold today. I'm using a cute little mold that I got from HomeGoods. You can find these guys from Amazon. You can find them in craft stores. But yeah, so today I'm just making cute little chocolate eggs. You can use these also as fun ice cube trays for Easter. So don't think that they're only good for candies. So this is that for now. So let's get started on those chocolates. I forgot to mention you'll also need a spoon, and if you have it on hand, a couple of clean paint brushes, and I'll explain why right now. So these cute little candy molds actually have rivets so that you can do a two-tone chocolate. So you can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, anything that you fancy can kind of go in. So I'm gonna show you unless again, someone's allergic to beets, I'm gonna show you a pink Easter egg that we'll do, and I'll show you how I'm doing them in here. So it'll be very pretty and cute, and I'm waiting for this burner to heat up, and I think we're just about getting there. Also be careful because it's hot. That means you might want these. So depending on how much chocolate you want, we're gonna start off with just a couple of spoonfuls to melt. And we're gonna again start with this mini white or mini vanilla chocolate. And you just wait until it gets nice and squishy. Right, so you want it nice and smooth, just like this. So for the next step, I want to create different colored bows than the rest. And so I'm gonna take a little bit of chocolate on my paintbrush, just like that. And then I'm gonna take it and I'm going to start painting all of the spots that I would like to have in white chocolate. So I filled in what I wanted to with the whites, and I'm gonna now make this white chocolate a little bit pink, and I'm going to use beet juice or beet dye instead of food coloring. So again, this is optional. I had beets from the other day, a little tiny bit of beet water. I'm gonna put a couple drops in. And this makes, I don't know if you can see, it's a very light pink. I think I wanna go a little bit pinker. So I'm probably just going to add a touch more. Also a tip, you may want to play with some of like the on and off of the burner just so that it doesn't coagulate the chocolate and get weird. And again, it depends on the candy you guys decide to use. Guys, we're getting there. Now I'm going to just melt down some rice milk chocolate. And now that the milk chocolate is melted, I'm just gonna scoop it in to the chocolate molds. Tiny spoons also are very helpful. Some molds will tell you how much chocolate goes into each one. This did not, so I'm kind of eyeballing it and melting as I go. So that's kind of a little tip and trick. And again, as soon as it's melted, you can shut the burner off. And then as you see it starting to coagulate, you can put the burner back on and kind of just melt it down a little bit. So it's that fine dance, guys. So now that our mold is filled, we are going to help these guys solidify by putting them into the fridge. So all of our chocolate is solidified, and now we can just pop them out into a candy dish or right into our Easter eggs. But today we're putting them right into a candy dish. So let's see how they look. So this is our cute little tie-dye beet dyed one. Super cute. And they easily pop out. Ah, this is a cute one with the little pink bow. And again, if they're not perfect around the edges, you can take a little knife to them if it matters to you. If not, they're still tasty. Also, a fun variation on this, you can add some gummy candies into here and then like just hide them with the chocolate. So there are a lot of different variations you can do. Again, hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time, fam. Thanks so much for joining us.